Today, I'm reviewing SimplyWise, a document organizer and receipt management app that promises to help you scan, store, and organize personal and financial records all in one place. And I'll break down whether it's worth using in 2025. SimplyWise lets you capture receipts, bills, important paperwork, and even e-receipts by snapping photos or uploading files, and it stores everything securely in the cloud with bank-level encryption, so you don't need to keep stacks of paper anymore. It also offers features like instant search, customizable folders, return date reminders, and the ability to export data into spreadsheets for taxes or expense reports. The app has a high average rating of around 4.8 out of 5 stars from thousands of users on app stores, and many reviewers praise how easy it is to digitize receipts, categorize documents, and free up space at home or in the office. People also appreciate the cloud storage and the export functions that help with bookkeeping or tracking spending. However, not everything is perfect. Some users report that the free version is very limited and only lets you scan a small number of receipts before a subscription is required. And others say the app can be glitchy with large receipts, struggle to import PDF files, and sometimes miss data, requiring manual edits. Pricing starts with a free plan that lets you scan a limited number of documents, a personal tier around $29.99 per year, and a business tier near $89.99 per year for more advanced features like reporting and sharing across devices. Overall, SimplyWise can be a useful tool for organizing personal and financial records if you need a simple receipt scanner and digital filing system, but be aware of subscription costs and occasional limitations before committing.